Hey guys, good morning. So I wanted to talk about this makeup and show you how it works. I've already used it once or twice. It is amazing. It's by LA Colors, truly madly long-lasting high pigment foundation. I don't know what color it is. It doesn't say or anything, but it's kind of a white. It truly is amazing. I picked it up at Winco for, sorry, I was looking in the mirror, for about $3.83, but I'm pretty sure you could pick it up at Walmart, Target, anywhere, probably for like under $5. So, if you want to keep watching and see how this foundation works out, please do so. So, I just take this pump liquid foundation and this brush, my makeup brush. I'm so in love with this brush. I've used it so much that you can see the metal come off. I got it from my family, from Walmart, from Christmas. I mean, I'm so in love with it. I actually went to the dollar store like a month ago and picked some more up, but that's beside the point. So I just take it and squirt it on like this. I think that's good. One or two squirts. If you see me looking up, it's because I'm looking up in a mirror. So I put it here, 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 and here. Usually, if I use the other foundation, this one by Wet n Wild, I usually have to dip it in like 3 or 4 times to get the stuff out. So I just rub it in all over my face like this. Sorry, I'm looking in the mirror as I'm talking on the video. So, like that. And there you have it. That is the first base of what I'm going to do. Oops, sorry. So, I totally recommend this product. It lasts for a long time. It's long-lasting wear. As you can tell, my face is a little bit different. I totally recommend this product. I don't know, to me, it's good. So I would go pick it up compared to spending $55 or $60, you know. I don't know. I think it would last a long time, because I've heard that, the liquid stuff in the pump lasts a long time. So I wanted to try it. I totally recommend this product, the LA Color Long-Lasting High Pigment Foundation, Truly Madly. I don't know if that's the color or the title, whatever, but I totally recommend it. Stay tuned. I will be back with the end result. Hey guys, I'm back with the end result of the LA Colored Truly Madly Long-Lasting Foundation. So this is the end result of what I got. I've only used it 2 or 3 times, but it's like a beigeish white color. It doesn't say a color, but I truly recommend this product. It's amazing. You could probably pick it up at your Walmart or Target or a drugstore or something like that. Personally, I picked it up at Winco. And ladies, I truly recommend, if you have a Winco near you, go there. and go to the makeup section because they have a lot of stuff that Walmart and Target does for way cheaper. That's what I found out. So like $2 or $1 or sometimes $3 cheaper. Don't quote me on it because I'm not like sitting in front of it, but it's a lot cheaper. So this is the end result. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.